I am Geeta from Government Science College. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to solve a nonlinear partial differential equation of the Clairaut's form, both manually as well as through Maxima program. Any equation of the form z is equal to px plus qy plus a function of pq is called a Clairaut's equation. That is, left hand side will be having only z is equal to px plus qy plus a function of pq. The solution is obtained by just replacing p by a and q by b. Therefore, the solution here is z is equal to ax plus by plus f of ab. So let us take one problem here. Solve z is equal to px plus qy plus pq. So when we notice this equation, the given equation is in the Clairaut's form. Left hand side I am having z term, then I am having px plus qy, and here I am having only a function of pq, that is p into q. Therefore, the solution is obtained by replacing p by a and q by b. Hence, the solution here is z is equal to a into x plus b into y plus a into b. Let us go with the Maxima program of this now. So the Maxima program of this will be, first I have to give a command kill all, then E will be, that is the given equation E is z is equal to p into x plus q into y plus p into q. So in this I should substitute. For substitution in Maxima, the command here is subst. And since I am substituting for two variables p and q, those two must be enclosed within a square bracket. So subst of p is equal to a, comma q is equal to b. I am substituting this in E. E is the user variable I have called it for a previous equation. So print the solution is yes. So when I execute this using the shift enter button, I am getting here the solution here is z is equal to qy plus px plus q. The solution is z is equal to by plus ax plus ab. This will become the solution. So let us take one more problem of this now. Solve z is equal to px plus qy plus square root of pq divided by p plus q. So again this will be is in the Clairaut's form, because left hand side I am having z, right hand side first I am having px plus qy, and the remaining term is a function of pq. The solution is obtained by replacing p by a and q by b. Therefore, the solution here is z is equal to ax plus by plus square root of ab by a plus b. So let us go with the Maxima program of this now. So in this equation, only thing is I should change So when I change this in the program, I'll get the output like this now. The given equation here is z is equal to px plus qy plus sqrt for square root of pq by p plus q. So the command here is sqrt is a command. PQ, that is there in the numerator. Denominator, I am having the sum of the two terms. So I should put a bracket for that. This is very important there. So P plus Q, I should put one bracket, and this bracket I have closed it here. Then again now the remaining program remains same, that is subst of P is equal to A, Q is equal to B in E. So I'll get the output like this. So like this we can solve any equation of the Clairaut's form using Maxima. Only thing is you should change the E term here and then you can execute. Thank you.